Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Young adventurers, we will take you on a magical journey into the world of Cornhole. Find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Get ready to immerse yourself in the excitement of a cornhole game, where you will experience the joy of tossing bean bags and celebrating with friends. Are you ready to embark on this cornhole adventure? Let's begin. Imagine yourself in a vibrant outdoor setting, surrounded by lush green grass and clear blue skies. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and a gentle breeze brushing against your face. Picture a beautifully crafted cornhole board set up in front of you, inviting you to play. Visualize the colorful bean bags, each one filled with joy and laughter. Observe their smooth texture, bright colors, and playful patterns. Take a moment to connect with the anticipation and excitement that comes with tossing a bean bag and aiming for the target. Step up to the cornhole board and feel the smooth surface beneath your feet. Visualize the distance between you and the target, a wooden hole outlined in vibrant colors. Picture yourself holding a bean bag in your hand, ready to embark on this cornhole adventure. Take a deep breath and release any tension or worries. Focus your mind on the present moment. As you toss the bean bag, visualize it soaring through the air, gliding with grace and precision. Notice the feeling of excitement and anticipation building within you. Watch as the bean bag lands on the board, sliding towards the target. Feel a surge of joy and satisfaction as it gracefully enters the hole, scoring you points. Celebrate your success with a cheer, embracing the sense of accomplishment and the camaraderie of playing with friends. Imagine the laughter and applause from your companions as they cheer you on. Feel the support and encouragement surrounding you, creating a positive and uplifting atmosphere. Experience the joy of friendly competition, knowing that the true victory lies in the joy of playing and connecting with others. Visualize yourself taking turns with your friends, each one stepping up to the cornhole board with determination and excitement. Witness the skill and focus in their eyes as they aim for the target, embracing the challenge and the thrill of the game. As the game progresses, feel the bond between you and your friends growing stronger. Embrace the spirit of teamwork and support as you cheer each other on, celebrating both the victories and the near misses. Take a moment to appreciate the joy and connection that playing cornhole brings. Conclude the game with a final toss, letting go of any attachment to the outcome. Embrace the joy and gratitude for the experience itself, knowing that the memories created and the friendships formed are the true treasures of this cornhole adventure. Take a moment to reflect on the lessons learned from your cornhole adventure. Notice how the game taught you about focus, patience, and perseverance. Remember the times when you aimed for the target and missed. But instead of feeling discouraged, you gathered your strength and tried again. Recognize that in cornhole, as in life, it's not always about winning, but about the journey and the growth that comes with it. Embrace the spirit of friendly competition and sportsmanship that you experienced during the cornhole game. Reflect on the importance of supporting and encouraging others, even when they face challenges or setbacks. Understand that by lifting each other up, you create an environment of positivity and camaraderie that enhances the joy of play. Take a deep breath and express gratitude for the opportunity to play and connect with friends through the game of cornhole. Appreciate the laughter, smiles, and shared moments that made the experience memorable. Give thanks for the beautiful outdoor setting that provided the backdrop for your cornhole adventure. As you bring this guided meditation to a close, carry the spirit of cornhole with you. Remember that the joy and camaraderie you experience during the game can be carried into your daily life. Embrace the spirit of friendly competition, teamwork, and celebration in all your endeavors. Whether they be games, school projects, or personal goals. Know that you have the ability to approach challenges with focus, determination, and a positive mindset. Trust in your skills and abilities, and remember that every journey is an opportunity for growth and learning. Take a moment to express gratitude for this special cornhole adventure. Give thanks for the opportunity to play, connect, and experience the joy of friendly competition. Carry the lessons and memories of this guided meditation with you as you continue your journey through life. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the sense of joy and connection back with you. Carry the spirit of cornhole in your heart, allowing it to inspire and guide you in creating meaningful connections, embracing friendly competition, and celebrating the joy of play. Treasure the memories and lessons of this guided meditation, and let them enhance your everyday experiences. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.